Welcome back to the Epicurean Kitchen. Another great recipe for you today. Ground salmon lemon dill burgers. Yummy. Super easy to do. Everything right here. I'm going to show you the process. Step one, we're going to make the mayonnaise. Aioli. Irby's lemon herb and Irby's dill tips. Tablespoon of lemon juice. Salt and pepper. Yummy. Put this aside. Next, we're going to be making the ground salmon burger. So here we have fresh salmon. It's 1.5 pounds. I did half of it in a Cuisinart with 12 pulses. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 12. Really chunky. The other half, I pureed it into a mousse, really smooth. And then I mixed the two together, and that's our burger base right there. I'm gonna put that in a bowl. Some lemon juice. Season it. Ground ginger. Non-fat Greek yogurt. Great. Now I'm gonna mix all this together and form patties. Oh, smells amazing with dill. Okay, have my portion scooper, but you can use your hands or a spoon, whatever you like. Boom. We portioned our salmon. The pan behind me, let's get it hot and some olive oil in it. So I usually go medium-low heat with a little bit of the Williamson extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm trying to get these nice and golden brown on each side, kind of like you would with a crab cake. I got my salmon cooking, beautifully golden brown on each side, for about 4 to 5 minutes on low heat. I got my brioche buns right here. We're gonna go ahead and warm these up in the oven. All right, those buns gotta be done. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, beautiful. All right, those there. Get our salmon burgers. Looks amazing. Okay, let's assemble some burgers. We're gonna start off, I'm gonna get my avocado cut. All right, put the bottoms down. We put our salmon over the avocado. I like doing that because all the natural fats from the salmon go down on the avocado and it's so good. Next, we're gonna get our lemon dill aioli that we made earlier and we're gonna put that on top of our salmon burgers. Beautiful. Now the dill, the lemon, and the natural fats coming from the salmon, wonderful.